Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Facebook account without identity. So what you need to do is basically open up the Facebook application and get towards this freelance icon that is at the right top corner and get down towards settings and privacy and get down towards settings, and which you're gonna go and get into passwords and security, where you can simply change password. You can also use two-factor authentication, or you can simply get about more security. So what you need to do to make your security checkup and no issue can be found in it is basically turn on login alerts, your password is okay, and turn on two-factor authentication. That would ask a code even if your phone is or your Facebook ID is logged in from any other device. So this way your account won't be blocked by any of the means, because you only would have that code eventually, so there would be no problem, and you can always unblock or you can always open your Facebook account without any identity or ID proof. So this is how you do it. This is how you basically unblock Facebook account without identity. And if there's anything else I can do to help you guys, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. So till next time, peace, take care.